I'm months away from filing for my Social Security at 70. I've been waiting since I was retired. Through a sudden retirement, through market ups and downs, through 10 years of strategic withdrawals from our portfolio. Was it worth it? For me, yes. In this next tip for a great DIY retirement, I'll discuss why you should maximize your Social Security. But here's the thing, the most important reason I waited has nothing to do with me. It was for her, my wife. Because when you are married, your Social Security decision is really about making sure that you're maximizing her retirement too. Stay tuned and I'll explain. Most people think of Social Security as a savings account. Money put into it through their working years and then money taken out. The goal in that time frame is to get your money back as fast as possible. File early, collect longer. I have a whole playlist on Social Security, including this one, The Wrong Way to Think About Social Security. And it's one of my more popular videos on this channel. Social Security is longevity insurance. Its primary job is to protect you and your spouse against the risk of living a very long time. In that reframe, it changes the timing decision. Every year you delay past your full retirement age, your benefit continues to grow all the way to 70. About 8% a year. That's a guaranteed inflation adjusted increase. And when you get that benefit at 70, it's inflation adjusted for life. I don't know of another investment on the fixed side of investments where you can get a guaranteed 8% return. Now, if you're single, the break-even point where waiting pays off more than filing early is typically somewhere in your late 70s. And if you've lived to 65, the chances are you are going to live past your late 70s. But if you're married, married couples need to plan together. If one spouse will rely on spousal benefits, the planning is even more important. But from the start of this channel, when I said I was waiting for 70, I've concentrated on survivor benefit. When one spouse dies, the surviving spouse gets to keep one of two Social Security checks and loses the lower one. And that's it. That one check will be there for the rest of their life. So if you file early and lock in a reduced benefit and then you die first, your spouse inherits that reduced benefit for life. Now, my wife is about 4 years younger than me, and statistically, she's likely to outlive me. So the Social Security check that she inherits when I'm gone is the one that I'm building right now, month by month, by waiting a few more months until age 70. Now, that's not an abstract calculation for me. That's her financial security. Now, I'll be honest with you. Waiting for 70 is not the right answer for everyone. If your health is poor, waiting may not make mathematical sense. If you've got a guaranteed pension and Social Security is just a layer on top, maybe the calculation is different for you. If both of you have Social Security benefits that are about equal, spousal benefits won't matter. If you're single without a survivor benefit to consider, the math is different. There's no universal right answer. There's only one answer for your situation, which is why you need to run the numbers to maximize Social Security for your retirement. Don't follow somebody else's decision. Now, the two tools I trust for this are Open Social Security. It's a great free site by Mike Piper where you can maximize your Social Security given a number of circumstances. And Boldin's Social Security Explorer, so you can see how the timing decision ripples across your entire long-range financial plan. By the way, Marie filed for hers last December, and so the Explorer doesn't work for me. I had to go in and change her to not filed yet to do some counterfactual scenarios. Now, I'll leave links below in the description. Run your own numbers and then decide. Social Security is your foundation for the long run. By building that retirement plan based on that decision, You can plan for something that lasts through market drops, through inflation, through the unpredictable decades ahead. And that thinking requires a new approach to longevity. And that's going to be tip number 6 next week. I plan for 90, not because I think I'll get there, but because if I do, I want to ensure my DIY retirement makes it too. Take a moment to please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more DIY retirement tips. Hey, and be sure to check out the links below for Boldin, Open Social Security, a full playlist of Social Security videos I've done on this channel, and the playlist of these 7 quick tips for a great DIY retirement. Now, I'll close with my standard warning. I am not a professional. I have no initials after my name, so always take this as entertaining ideas from one DIY retiree to another. Do your own due diligence and seek out a professional if you need one.